penlong ke dubak ya ke lempung yela ka basketball Ivy League ke balai sengi ha ka ba kala sedang nadu menen ke sengi ka apsau tadi ukala lingkot bat on penha perdano la syai ke sengi ka apnu tadi ukala lingkot araja arpulai kani ke jingila ka basketball ka longkum sibenta ka slam a jingi kai jong ke dubak ke baju penlong manlau senam ha ki benai telang ban a ke jingi kai ya ke jingila ka basketball ya ki heb barit ba na school ha ka ke sengi la yoru banyak ran bat ka we ke thei yela ka basketball ke jela bat ka bolong ru ka coach ha ka jo ka por ka kong lari hun wajri ka basong basa ha po molai umjur kani ka sama dangshen ka dang suda pendep ya ka jingpuli NIS diploma jongka napo ka National Institute of Sports Bengaluru bat ka longru ka thei khasi ka baar napo ka jela banlong ka certified coach ka bala itu ha ka jo ka por da ka World Association of Basketball Coaches WABC FIBA bat ka National Institution of Sports
ngadi ruin kikin thei khasi ki kabedi bakan jingla kai basketball ke balap pindah biar bagus kata ka WABC level 1 WABC mut ke World Association Basketball Coaches kati jo ka level 1 ti hadap ha ngapendap ya kata usnam ahja khatnyo ka bapelong ha Mizoram ka Aizon ti hadin kata ngalit sekani ka NIS diploma ka balong ha Bangalore ka bapelong darasai di mentangawan sini kum ka coach kaban long kaban yarap kaban plela limpi kamtam ailat plela dikini kena bikin lakai ba beli kai ki ka kom jo lakai basketball kaba kajing lakai ka bala long popular bahang mentah ni kasi ti nga kermen ba kajing ya limpi jo ngaru kadi kai sibun nga wala da ngala madbun kajing pinkiang di nga kajing jo nga kajing lakai kam julep la long nomta ti ngakwaru bangan ai katahi ka ngan ai katahi ka jiso katahi ka jingwa ka jingtram ikinaru ba kin lakai kin don museum ba kin don jingmu ba kin posisi ai amating ni kum ki kina ngi lakai tama busin ni shula kai ksam da ka don jingmu sa ingin poi sa ingin ni ting bomdon kinong ban gay dingi titingi jalin tino ti ngaru nga pablong hindi kang basketball coach hindi ka banyara pikinaru ban kintinti bun kiliam kabedi bat ka kajigim brio shimariken ti ka ba kumno kiru ban ay misim ki bakin yo bakin ko siya katong kata bakit mo bakin don ta misim ban yo ti katahi
the licensed basketball coach we won Dubak Sports Enterprise. It's a new entity for promoting sports. Mentati ngidang fokus ya ke basketball and nila sedang gani kam ladon mentasan snap. Bun ba ka aim jungi kalong ba in this world in this current scenario babun na ki Glawai school done extracurricular activities provided yaki, so we started with a program kinila kai basketball after school program and in 5 years even with through COVID long nila shim jing kibun ki jing bingla shim and we've learned and nila long proud ban ong nila done 180 students currently were joined Batngi, Badonlang Batngi, and nila it's been a great opportunity ban have a program namanta kikna in a secure environment with supervision and ban yarap yaki ban not only learn basketball but also learn the teachings that basketball has to give. Basketball has for them like key values, kumno ban respect ki bahe, kumno ban work as a team, kumno ban long leader. So these are the things that we focus on. They tangya ban chu long a superstar in basketball. The main aim jungi is to help kids menta ba pla ban I ba bun ki kena after schools half of the time they are in the mobile phones so at least some physical activity that will help in the physical development and also mental development as well so itahi so nila for the past 1 year, we've been very active. Lakai tournaments almost all over Northeast. Lalichal Siliguri, Naugong, Jagi Road, and Guwahati. So labon ha ki championships mengi lakai sabar kidon mengi job kidon mengi ram. So it's been especially last year. It's been a very schedule belong very hectic. Bang year tournament almost in at least one tournament in 2 months. Sometimes 2-3 tournaments in 2 months. So just recently, Ru Minash one time Natura where ki Kinthe Jungi ki jump and Kishin Ranki one runners up. So uh, that is what we do, and going forward, idun kolik jonga ba ithen rentetiak ban itu banyak shipang ka winter camp ba ka Ivy League.
Okay, so so yung winter camp. So basically, winters is a holiday for students, mo. Kiba, especially classes 9 and below. They ni bo yakin winter camps that kids can come and learn. It's not just kids, even kiba come here kidan kiba college level kidan. So they came with that purpose to learn basketball. So come on, coach mene. For us, it's not just basketball. Of course, kalong centric basketball, but we teach them values of life and how even if you become hero, we teach them how to after just after college what to do, and then we help them in so many ways that we can, and we also have friends around us keep and this and that. So and then we did this winter camp nila sedang do 15th of December tinggal ayat, and then we're gonna end this week on Tatayo, and then we will end with the league. So this whole winter they've been training obviously for basketball. So we have small girls who kibadan ki small boys, and then kini high secondary kidan along, and then even college level kidan one. So and basically we saw that also that kini kibadan kamtam kim khamyo platform for a tournament, because if they come even for just for the winter and for the entire year but practice but train, but if they don't have a stage but they but display what they have learned, and also that it does not make sense, no? It will be all a waste. So we did this. So we nearly a league. Basically, it's a round robin league. So every team will meet and face each other based on points bet. So now, and then at the end, the team with the most points they win. So Kalong Kumta. And then we also, it's not just the winter thing for us. It's all year long. We have sessions almost every day. Some sessions we have alternate days, of course, and then we have separate sessions for boys, separate sessions for girls, and then almost every day for us there we're here from 4 to 8, sometimes 8:30, depending on the season. More the day winter, and winter we get more time because it's holidays and also Kalong Kumta.